Okay, so welcome to this activity called Expression personnelle, where you're going to say how you would do the following things by completing the sentences with an adverb from the list. Then I want you to translate the sentence into English. So it's kind of like a write and translate, which we're pretty used to. Again, an adverb, right, is a word that describes the way an action is done. It describes a verb and the way that verb is done. So um, I am giving you a list of different adverbs, and I am giving you the beginning of a sentence. I want you to pick one of those adverbs and add it to the end of the sentence. And then I want you to translate that sentence into English just so that I can see that you know what you're writing about and so that you can get used to those adverbs and what they mean in English. So here's an example. Je parle français. I speak French. The answer could be very different for everybody, right? But for me, je parle français facilement. Okay. So remember, right? Usually an adverb is created by taking the feminine version of an adjective and adding ment. So the adjective that we used here is facile, okay, which if you remember means easy. I added my ment, which is sort of the equivalent to our ly in English for our adverbs. So if I was to translate this in English, it would look like this. I speak French easily. Okay, and that's all I want you to do. So make sure that you use a variety of adverbs to complete this. And that's it. Of course, obviously, I strongly suggest that you watch the instructional video before completing any of these assignments so that you know what I'm talking about when I'm referring to how we form adverbs as I go into greater details in that video. Questions, call, text, or email.